Hi, my name is Kayla from Infinite Adventures Travel. I am here at the beautiful Beaches Turks and Caicos, and I am so excited to show you a little sneak peek of one of the brand new rooms for Treasure Beach, which is opening in March 2026. Let's go take a look. Upon entering directly to your right, you're going to have these beautiful shelves, your coffee maker, a microwave, as well as a sink. They also provide umbrellas, which is really nice in case it's raining outside. And then you also have your cooler down at the bottom here, which will be stocked with juices and sodas of your choosing. If you turn to the left when you walk in, you are going to enter the first full bathroom as well as the kids' room. The kids' room is equipped with a small closet area with robes and extra blankets, as well as a bunk bed, as well as a trundle. So this can sleep at least 3 comfortably. Then you've got your adorable mirror and shelving in the kids' room, and a TV, as well as these adorable hanging hooks for swimsuits, robes, and things like that. And then you're going to walk into the first full bathroom, which includes your Red Lane Spa shampoo, conditioner, and body cleanser. This includes a beautiful shower as well as a bathtub if the little ones want to take a bath. And that door does close, so that's a pocket door, so you still have access to the sink, which is really nice. I really like that there is a door that separates the kids' room from the master, and right past that door you're going to walk into the master bathroom on the left, and it is beautiful and it is massive. The shower is huge, 2 sinks, and again your Red Lane Spa amenity kit with shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Then you also have your own closet for the master area, which includes your slippers and robe set, as well as a few drawers, and also an ironing board and a safe. Walking a little bit further into the room to the right, you have your bar, ice bucket, and another little fridge area filled with juices and sodas. From this view here, you can see the closet area as well as that hallway back to the kids' room. And then you have your master here with a beautiful king-size bed and a sofa. Beautifully decorated. It really gives you the Caribbean feel. And then you have table and chairs to the left with the large screen TV. I really love that there are outlets on either side of the bed, as well as the couch and the table area. And then of course this room has 2 sliding doors that open up onto the patio. You're going to have a nice fan out here, as well as a table and also a small day bed. The rooms in the new Treasure Beach Village are all designed to have some kind of ocean view. The village itself is going to have the largest pool on property, as well as several new dining locations. So if you're ready to experience Beaches Turks and Caicos for yourself, click the link below for a free quote. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more all-inclusive Caribbean resorts.